How to fix Dell Error Code 0333, Step-by-Step Guide, Troubleshooting and Solutions for a Smooth Experience. What is Dell Error Code 0333? Dell Error Code 0333 indicates a potential issue during the diagnostic self-test or system recovery process. When does it occur? During boot up, while running a system diagnostic test, during system recovery attempts. Possible causes of Error Code 0333, corrupted operating system files, faulty or failing hardware components, incomplete BIOS update, software conflicts. Step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Restart the system. Restart your Dell computer and check if the error persists. Step 2. Run Dell Diagnostics, built-in tool. Press F12 repeatedly during boot to access the diagnostic menu. Select Diagnostics and follow the on-screen prompts. Note down any additional error codes if detected. Step 3. Repair operating system files. Insert a bootable USB or Windows installation disk. Select Repair your computer greater than Troubleshoot greater than command prompt. Type the following commands one by one. Restart the computer after completing the process. Step 4. Update BIOS. Visit Dell's official support website. Download the latest BIOS update for your system model. Follow Dell's instructions to update the BIOS safely. Final solutions. Step 5. Check and replace hardware. Run diagnostics to identify faulty hardware such as RAM or hard drive. Replace defective components if necessary. Step 6. Perform a system reset. 1. Back up your data before proceeding. 2. Use Dell recovery options to reset your system to factory settings. Access recovery options through F8 or Windows recovery settings. When to contact Dell Support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, if the diagnostic test shows errors related to hardware failure, provide Dell Support with error codes, system model number, service tag. Preventive measures. Keep your operating system and drivers up to date. Run regular hardware diagnostics to identify issues early. Avoid interrupting system updates or diagnostic processes. Thank you.